Good morning, welcome to Horse Ride. This is the part 2 tutorial for battery design. So last video we have faced this flickering issues in the object. In Bevel Tool, this slot edit mode option you can untick it. You can go to edit mode and here using the vertex mode plus select this vertex and here this vertex and this vertex, right click, create a subdivide, and here you can able to see one vertex point is created using the subdivide. Select that and select this vertex, press M, merge it last. Now we can able to see now that option is gone. So this is the error to clear that message issues. Now we can able to see it's now battery top thing is ready. Now we are here, you can able to see this is beveled nicely and it looks correct look for the same, so evenly. So you can design as per the recommend. You can select the thing and you can see the angles, and you know we have created one sample battery here. Okay, let me create the plug points. So in this object I'm going to hide this one. Control Z, press A to select all and hide this one, and I'm going to create the battery thing. Go to the front view, press shift S and cursor to the world origin. So wherever the cursor is there, the 3D cursor will come to the middle point of the world origin. Press shift A and create one plane and go to edit mode and select this one and this one. Press X to delete the vertex. Now I can able to only one vertex is there, and this vertex and we are going to make it as, go to, so this one is here, and what we are going to do is using this vertex we are going to create the design. Press E to extrude and Z axis, and we can able to hear it, and you can press G X to move a little bit further. Press E to extrude, and we are going to make this in this angle. So now what we are going to do is in front view, and we are going to create a bevel option in this corner of the edges. Press Ctrl B and you can drag and you can create the bevel. So let me do one thing. Before doing the bevel, we can extrude the object. Press E and extrude in Y axis. You can able to create one sheet here. And in this pin, so I'm going to add some edge loops to create some actual designs. So I just create it here and press select this and scale in x-axis, sorry, y-axis. So I have created more design in this and create one more loop cards and create here and scale in y-axis. So now one basic cut has been created here. In edge mode selection, we are going to bevel this corner. So now it's bended like some curve cuts. Now this bend is created, so we have to smooth this bend and this bend in this angle. Okay, so what we are going to add the solidify modifier to give the thickness for this plane sheet. So go to add modifier, click solidify. Here you can able to see one thickness is added, so this thickness is enough for our battery hookers, and you can click apply. You now press Ctrl A and scale the object and reset the scale options and go to edit mode. Now we can able to see some curve corner is created for us to make it bevel. So here you can select the edges and press Ctrl B to bevel the corners. So now we can able to see some corner is beveled, and here also we are going to do the these edges we are going to bevel the same. Yeah, now we can able to see some smooth is having. I press Control 2 to sorry add in fast curve. I'm going to add bevel the objects. Now we can able to see it's bevel correctly, and here you can able to see some loops is happening. So what we are going to do for this is, here you can able to see one length angle is not happening properly, so that's why that bevel option is not working fine. So we can reduce the thing 0.2, that bevel option. Now we can able to see it's beveled correctly. After that press Control 1 to smooth the modifying, so you can able to see it's cut it safe nicely. Okay, before applying the bevel and solidify, sorry, bevel and smoothness, so what we are going to do is we are going to one small cut pin we have to create here. So I go to the front view angle, press shift and right click to come the 3D cursor, press shift A and create a one small cube. So we are making it a little bit smaller, press ZX, and in this angle we are going to do and rotate this as per the design what we are having. And here you can move to the object here G, and we can move okay fine, and here we can move to the object, go to the top angle and move as per our requirement. Okay, now small thing is created, and here we are going to bevel the corners with using the edge loop selection for each side and press Ctrl B. So now we can able to see it's beveled nicely. And we are going to add some loop edges to create some add loop edges and press SZ to scale, sorry. So here is in global view, we will change it to local view and press scale set. Okay, we can do one more thing idea also I'm got. So change back to global again, this one, and make it Control R and add one edge loop here, and Control R, select this and add one edge loop here. So now we go to and modify it and set smooth. Yeah, I got on one more idea, so we can go and bevel the object. Oops, oh sorry, it's not created properly. So we can go to the, okay, this angle is enough because we are going to give modify for that. So what we are going to do, we can go to the front view and go to the local view and press GZ to add it inside that. And here we are, what we are going to do is we are going to bevel this object. This object is located as plane. I'm going to give pin. Okay, and after doing that I am select this and select this as pin and difference. If you click difference, now you can able to see one nice cut is created inside the pen. So you can create the pen like that. So after creating this, you can press the object and bevel the object and make it to 0.2, and then after doing that 0.2 also it's look some crispy, so 0.1 I make it, and I just press control 2 sorry control 1, sorry that also not taken. So let me do one thing, let me increase this 0.2 and press control 2 and see, yeah, it's not taking. So what we are going to clear this error how means, we can close this white and go to the edit mode, and you can clear some patches here. What's happening, you can zoom it a while here. After zoom you can able to see, you can't able to see anything. So what you have to go to do is go to the object mode, and here in the view angle increase the focal length to 200 mm. Okay, now we can able to view the thing. Okay, I do one thing, so I create one loop cut here. Okay, here and here one, and go to the vertex mode, and you can join these angles. And now let me create a bevel option and make it as 0.2, no, make it as 0.1, and apply the modifier. Okay, in top we can able to see it's some option is cleared, in bottom you can able to see some option is not clear. So let me clear the error for the both sides. So I just turn off the bevel and edit option in edit mode. Okay, let me join these two here, and these two here. Yeah, in top it's cleared, and we can go to the back mode and we can add some join lines. So now we can able to see only the bottom, we have to create one more thing. So let me join these two, join and join these two. Yeah, now we can able to see only here we are facing some issues. So let me do one thing, press this and join it again and press tab. Yeah, now it looks cool. So we have cleared the error, and it's now their pin is ready. And what we are going to, in object mode, we are going to apply the scale, and we are going to apply the all the transforms. So now we can able to see it's located, the pivot point is here, but its object is here. To move that, press Ctrl S, and you can go to selection to the cursor. Sorry, press Shift S and cursor to the world origin, so it goes to center, and press yes. And okay, before that you can move the object to the center. Before that, okay, I do set origin and origin to the mass. Now it's came center, and press yes, cursor to selected. So now it's came to the middle of the point, so it's now it's fine, and you can click press yes. And now we can go to the front view and GZ to move to the top angle, and press Alt H to unhide everything, and go again GZ, sorry, it selected everything, so you can go to the pin G set. Now you can able to see it's so we have to rotate the pin before moving that. So let me go to this angle and press and rotate the, so let me move the pin to the particular location, and we have to rotate this pin. Now press R and Z axis to rotate the same, and now it's rotated. Here you can able to see the item degrees minus 171 because we required actually minus 180. So now it's moved, rotated correctly, and I click shift A and apply the rotation. After rotation you can able to see it's become 0. So this is why we do the scaling and rotation. So while object it's moved to the any game or whatever, so it will move as per that. Yeah, now let me give it this angle. It looks nice. Yeah, now it's created one pin, and we are going to duplicate this pin to the one more angle. Shift D X, sorry, Y. Now it's angle fine. So now two pin is created. We have created the battery. So two pin is created now. So we are going to add one more design in this. Press go to tab mode and press R. Oh, no edge loop is created. Fine. So we can do one thing. One more idea I'm got. So let me create one small box for creating the edge loop in this corner. Okay, and let me design that now. Go to the front view and shift S and to cursor to the another location, shift A and press select the cube, and you can go to the same location, go to the set wireframe mode, go to edit mode and select top edges, press GY to move exactly towards the same, not towards, we require a little bit with outside, so same way we are going to do here, GY, and this angle GX, and this angle GX. Now we have created some things. After creating that, you can go to edit mode and solid mode, press select this and shift hatch to hide shift H to hide everything, and go to the edit mode and press select face option, then press I to insert, and you can create one edge loops like this. Okay, now we have created one edge loops, and press spacebar and bridge loop which already hits in search box, select that, and now it's created one box turn over here. Now we are going to resize this box to the small one. Go to edit mode and press 1 Z wireframe, select all the object GZ. So now we are going to create this much level gap in that using the boolean tool. Okay, go to select mode and go to object mode, press alt hash to unhide everything, and select this one GZ. So now this angle is okay, and go to the front view, and I'm going to reduce this as, sorry, scale Z. So before apply changing anything in object mode, press Ctrl A and apply the scale. and go to the origin and center of the mass you have to do, and then apply the scale. Okay, scale set. So after that I'm for the scale set, and I'm reducing a little bit, and go to the wireframe top view and wireframe view. You can able see it's cutting more inside, so I don't want that. I press scale and a little bit outside. Okay, fine. And you can go to edit mode and select this two curve and vertex, and press GX to move a little bit inside, like all the side how it should be even, so you can move like this inside. And same here, you can select GX and you can move it a little bit inside. Yeah, fine. So after doing that, you can go to the solid mode and object mode, then select this one, and here go to the fast curve and change this spin to battery and do the difference. Now you can able to see one edge loop design is created in the battery. Fine, now it's look nice. I click Control S, and everything is cool here. So I just apply the bevel option. Before that I just select, apply the scale and apply the bevel option, and we can see how it's looking. Yeah, all the place fine, and it will look nice for us. Control yes, sorry, Control yes to save the cool thing objects for us. So now our battery is ready with the basic designs and converter. So next we go for the coloring in the next part of tutorial. Subscribe the channel. If you like the video, like it and share it with your friends, so everybody let it learn and start designing the 3D models. Now its design is finished, and let me change to the one more color, and you can see how it looks. Yeah, its battery is created now for us. So we are going to do, we are next part we are going to color and add the label here. Let me see it in next part tutorial. Bye bye.